Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage cloud security with Amazon AWS easy tutorial step by step clearly. To manage cloud security with Amazon AWS, start by accessing your AWS management console. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the IAM service. Create a new user by clicking on Users and then Add User. Select Programmatic Access to enable API access. In the Permissions section, select Attach Existing Policies directly. Choose policies that align with your security requirements, such as Administrator Access or IAM Full Access. Review the user's permissions and click Next. After reviewing the details, click Create User. Make sure to save the access key ID and secret access key securely. Next, set up multi-factor authentication, or MFA, for the new user. Within the IAM console, select Users and click on the user you just created. Navigate to the Security Credentials tab and click Manage for MFA. Select either a virtual MFA device or a hardware MFA device. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the MFA setup. Now, configure your network security by creating a virtual private cloud, or VPC. In the AWS Management Console, search for and select VPC. Click on Create VPC and specify your IP sitter block. Once the VPC is created, set up subnets for better organization. Create public and private subnets based on your application needs. Next, configure security groups to control inbound and outbound traffic. In the VPC dashboard, select Security Groups and click Create Security Group. Define rules that specify allowed IP addresses and ports. Attach the security group to your instances as needed. After securing your network, focus on encryption for data at rest. Use AWS Key Management Service, or KMS, for managing encryption keys. Within the KMS dashboard, create a new key and define its permissions. Ensure that all sensitive data in S3 and EBS volumes is encrypted using this key. Now, monitor your AWS environment with AWS CloudTrail. Enable CloudTrail to log events for auditing and compliance. Configure alerts and notifications using Amazon CloudWatch. Set up metrics and alarms based on your security risks and thresholds. Finally, conduct regular security assessments using AWS Inspector. Run assessments on your EC2 instances to identify vulnerabilities. Regularly review and update your security policies as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.